wait for me to pass judgment on an answer. Most of the time, I will say no. So when I say no, you can ring for the bonus. On the other hand, if the question goes on answers and the bell goes, you can ring. You don't need my prompt again. I hope it's clear. All right. So for the first set of questions, 30 seconds of your time, and there's a preamble, after which I'll come to you, Konongo-Odumase SHS. Give the product formed from each of the following reactions. Do you have it? Give the product formed from each of the following reactions. Konongo, 1 butene plus HCl. Yes, go ahead.
2 chlorobutane.
Yes. St. Hubert. 2 butene plus HBr. Yes, go ahead.
2 bromobutane. 2 bromobutane.
Yes. Osei Tutu. 1 pentene. 1 pentene plus HCl. Yes, go ahead.
2 chloropentane.
Yes. Prempeh College. 2 pentene plus HBr. Yes, go ahead.
3 bromopentene.
No. Yes, Osei Tutu.
2 bromopentane.
Yes. Next set, 30 seconds. Konongo. A charge on a capacitor is 5.0 millicoulombs when the voltage across it is 4.0 volts. Find the charge on the capacitor when the voltage across it is 6.0 volts. Yes, go ahead.
7.5 times 10 exponent negative 3 milli negative 3 coulomb.
All right. St. Hubert. The charge on a capacitor is 16 millicoulombs when the voltage across it is 48 volts. Find the voltage across the capacitor at which the charge on it is 15 millicoulombs. Yes, go ahead.
We have 45 votes.
Yes. Osei Tutu. The charge on a capacitor is 18 millicoulombs when the voltage across it is 6.0 volts. Find the charge on the capacitor when the voltage across it is 5.0 volts. Go ahead.
15 millicoulomb.
Yes. Prempeh College. Prempeh College. The charge on a capacitor is 16 millicoulombs when the voltage across it is 48 volts. Find the voltage across the capacitor at which the charge on it is 15 millicoulombs. Go ahead.
45 volts.
Yes. Next set, 10 seconds each, and there's a preamble. Indicate how the following seeds are dispersed. Do you have it? Indicate how the following seeds are dispersed. Konongo, seeds with wings. Go ahead.
Seeds with wings are dispersed by the air current or wind current that carry them.
Yes. St. Hubert. Seeds that are light and hollow. Go ahead.
They are dispersed by wind.
No. Yes, Prempeh College.
They are dispersed by water.
Yes. Osei Tutu. Seeds with spines and hooks. Go ahead.
They are dispersed by animals and man.
Yes. Prempeh College. Small and light seeds.
They are dispersed by wind.
Yes. Next set, 30 seconds, and there's a preamble. Find the lengths of the legs of a right angle triangle of hypotenuse of length. Find the lengths of the legs of a right angle triangle of hypotenuse of length. Last time. Find the lengths of the legs of a right angle triangle of hypotenuse of length. Konongo, of length 30 centimeters, if the legs are in the ratio 3:4. Are you ready? Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
I have 25 centimeters. 25 centimeters and 13 centimeters.
No. Yes, Osei Tutu.
18 centimeters and 24 centimeters.
That's right. St. Hubert. Hypotenuse of length 26 centimeters. If the legs are in the ratio 5:12. Yes, go ahead.
10 centimeters and 24 centimeters.
Exactly. Osei Tutu, with the same preamble, hypotenuse of length 20 centimeters if the legs are in the ratio 1:3. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
5 centimeters and 5 √3 centimeters.
No. Prempeh College.
10 centimeters and 10 √3 centimeters.
Exactly. Prempeh College. Hypotenuse of length 170 centimeters if the legs are in the ratio 8:15. Yes, go ahead.
80 centimeters and 150 centimeters.
You are right. For the next set, 30 seconds. Konongo, a scientist precipitates 9.4 grams of AgBr from a 6.0 gram sample of silver ore. Calculate the percentage of silver present in the ore. Take the atomic mass of silver to be 108 and that of bromine to be 80. Yes, go ahead.
I have 50%.
No, bonus. Yes, Prempeh College?
90%.
Yes. St. Hubert. A student dissolves 50.0 grams of a silver salt and then precipitates 47.0 grams of AgI. What mass of silver is present in the precipitate? Take the atomic mass of silver, Ag, to be 108, and that of iodine to be 127. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead. I've been
Okay.
bailed out for a bonus. I'll hold on to the answer. Osei Tutu. The amount of calcium present in an ore was precipitated as calcium carbonate. In an experiment, 4.96 grams of the ore was dissolved in acid solution and precipitated to 6.20 grams of CaCO3. Determine the percentage of calcium present in the sample. Take the atomic mass of calcium to be 40, that of carbon 12, oxygen 16. Is your hand up? I've been bailed out. Yes, Prempeh College for a bonus.
50%.
That's right. Prempeh College. Calculate the mass of calcium present in 17.6 grams of calcium oxalate, CaC2O4. Take the atomic mass of calcium to be 40, that of carbon 12, and oxygen 16. Go ahead.
5.5 grams.
Yes. That's it. $30. Find the depth of a liquid of refractive index. Find the depth of a liquid of refractive index 1.48 in which an object has an apparent depth of 1.00 meters. Go ahead.
2.48 meters.
No. All right. St. Hubert.
1.48 meters.
Yes. St. Hubert, be careful. All right. Find the refractive index for a liquid for which its apparent depth equals 1.80 meters when the real depth equals 2.70 meters. Go ahead.
1.50.
Yes. Osei Tutu. Find the refractive index for a liquid for which the apparent depth equals 2.70 meters when the real depth equals 3.60 meters. Go ahead.
1.33.
Yes. Prempeh College. Find the depth of a liquid of refractive index 1.25 in which an object has an apparent depth of 0.500 meters. Go ahead.
0.625 meters.
Yes. Next set, 10 seconds, and there's a preamble. Mention the location of the following digestive glands in the alimentary canal. Do you have it? All right. Konongo, salivary glands. Go ahead.
The salivary glands is located in the buccal cavity of the mouth.
All right. St. Hubert, gastric glands. Go ahead.
It is found in the stomach.
Yes. Osei Tutu. The liver. Go ahead.
The liver.
Yes.
The small intestine. The small intestine.
No, for a bonus. Yes, Konongo for a bonus.
The liver is located on the upper right part of the abdominal cavity.
For a bonus, no. There's more detail to it. Now listen. It is next to the stomach and located in the abdominal cavity just below the diaphragm. Prempeh College. The pancreas. Go ahead.
Okay, so the pancreas is located behind the stomach and after the
No. No. Bonus. Wow. Konongo for a bonus.
The pancreas is located in the abdominal cavity just beneath the base of the stomach.
Yes. Next set. "30 seconds and there's a preamble. Find the average rate of change of the area of a circle as the radius changes from. That's a preamble. I'll take it once again. Find the average rate of change of the area of a circle as the radius changes from. Konongo, changes from 2 centimeters to 4 centimeters. Yes, go ahead.
I have 10 pi per second.
No. I'll hold on to the answer. St. Hubert, when the radius changes from 5 centimeters to 6 centimeters. Go ahead.
2 pi centimeters squared per second.
No. Bonus. Next, Osei Tutu, when the radius changes from 5 centimeters to 3 centimeters. Go ahead.
Negative 20 pi centimeter squared per second.
No, for bonus. Last question, Prempeh College. When the radius changes from 11 centimeters to 9 centimeters. Go ahead.
20 pi. 20 pi centimeters.
No.
Per centimeter.
The right answer, 20 pi centimeters squared per centimeter. And yours, Osei Tutu, 8 pi centimeters squared per centimeter. Then, St. Hubert's, 11 pi centimeters squared per centimeter. And Konongo, 6 pi centimeters squared per centimeter. On that note, the end of round 1.
Alande. Make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. You be at the day, I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks, city check.
Join the ABSA family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long thing. We like 'em simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life. Like I'm simple and easy. Easy.
Whoever you're doing it for, we'll help you get it done. Simply. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Tap into the convenience of ABSA contactless cards, another innovation that's turning banking on its head. Now, you can make fast, easy, and safe contactless payments for everyday items. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Meet Abby, your 24/7 digital personal banker. Let Abby make payments, buy airtime, and check your balance for you on WhatsApp. Another digital innovation that gets things done. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Whoever you're doing it for, we'll help you get it done. Simply. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Hello. Please, before we go on, there are some concerns that have been raised by some of the schools here. The first one coming from Konongo-Odumase, they picked up a bonus on the location of the liver. Please, it was a bonus, and so we need, if you pick up a bonus, you must be accurate. You shouldn't be near accurate. You must give exactly what I have, not near accurate. So this was the answer expected. The liver is found next to the stomach and located in the abdominal cavity just below the diaphragm. That's not what your candidate gave. So this concern will not hold. Next is coming from St. Hubert's. There was a question that went to Prempeh College. I think the second set of physics questions, or was it the first? The first set. That question had already been read to St. Hubert. And the same question, the same values were read to Prempeh, and they are challenging it. And from consultation, we'll have to give a different question to Prempeh College to solve on the physics. The same area, no problem. Next, it's a concern raised by Prempeh College. They said there was an answer being provided by Konongo-Odumase with respect to that same set of questions, and that they said milli and 10 to the power 3 and milli, then change to coulombs. Well, what I heard was 7.5 times 10 to the power 3. So in conferring, the friend was trying to tell him that I should milli, and it wasn't direct. That's why I didn't pick. Then finally they came to a conclusion that it should be coulombs. So 7.5 times 10 to the power minus 3 coulombs, and I accepted. But Prempeh is saying that he said 7.5 times 10 to the power minus 3 milli, then change to coulomb. Oh, that's simple. So I think let us let it go. Yes, because, all right. So Prempeh College, one more question for you. 30 seconds. A parallel plate capacitor has a capacitance of 50 nanofarads when the space between its plates is empty. Find the charge on the capacitor when the space between its plates is filled with a dielectric of dielectric constant 2 and a potential difference 5 volts is applied across it. Go ahead.
500 nanocoulomb.
That's right. Please, let's cool heads. Lie down. It's cool. All right. Okay. At the end of round 1, here are the scores. Konongo-Odumase SHS, 12 points. Osei Tutu SHS, 14 points. St. Hubert Seminary SHS, 16 points. And Prempeh College, 19 points. Round 2. Round 2 is also known as the speed race. In this round, all questions are directed to all schools at the same time. The first school to ring the bell gets the opportunity to answer correctly for 3 points on the first attempt, 2 points on the second attempt, and 1 point on the third attempt or fourth attempt. That is, if there's still time remaining for that question to be answered. Please, no partial credit here, so your answer must be vivid. Exactly what I have here. When you ring the bell and I call the name of your school, first time, answer is not coming. Second time, answer is not coming. The bell will go. If the bell goes, I will not take any answer from. Even if you say the answer through the mic, I will not pick it. So please, be careful. When you ring, your answer must be ready. All right. For the first set of questions, 30 seconds each. The length of a cube is x. Find the rate of change of the volume of the cube respect to x when x is equal to 5. Yes, Prempeh College. Go ahead.
75 centimeters.
Yes, you're right. Next, alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. X squared plus 7x minus 9 is equal to 0. Evaluate, brackets open, alpha minus beta, brackets close, squared. Go ahead, Prempeh.
85.
Yes. Next, find the true value of the compound statement, brackets open, P and Q, brackets close, implies Q, given P is true and Q is false. Yes, Hubert? Saint Hubert.
Okay, so Q, it is false.
No. Yes, Osei Tutu. Osei Tutu. Yes. Next. All right. It's a very long one, 10 seconds each. One morning, as students were walking around the assembly hall, they noticed many small plants which were not there a week ago. They wondered where they had come from, as nobody had planted them there. Explain the reason for the growth of these plants. Yes, Osei Tutu.
This may be due to the fact that these plants were being dispersed by either, their seeds were being dispersed by either the current of winds or by birds.
Yes, exactly. Next. Next. In which part of the alimentary canal does absorption of water? Go ahead. Prempeh College.
Large intestine.
No. Yes, rank 2, Hubert.
We have the stomach.
Yes. Next. Next. Name the process by which name the processes by which liquid water is formed. Yes, St. Hubert?
Okay, so we have the cycle to be evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and also the streaming of water to...
No. The right answer is condensation and melting. Condensation and melting. Next, 30 seconds. An 8 millicoulomb point charge and a negative 50 microcoulomb point charge are 15 meters apart. Find the magnitude of the electrostatic force each charge exerts on the other. Yes, St. Hubert?
Okay, so we have negative 16 Newton.
No. Osei Tutu?
Negative 1.6 Newton.
No. Konongo?
16 newtons. 16 newtons.
Exactly. Next. Come on. Always open your mouth. Okay, open your mouth. Next, 30 seconds. Express 763.00 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes, St. Hubert. Go ahead.
So we have the answer to be
Osei Tutu. Go ahead.
41 degrees Celsius.
No. So I continue. On the absolute scale, yes, Prempeh College.
679 Kelvin.
No. The right answer is 679.26 Kelvin. Next, find the work done by the force given by 6I plus hj newtons when its point of application undergoes a displacement of 10I plus. Yes, Konongo? Go ahead.
Okay, so
100I plus 40J, all in Newton.
No. So I continue. 10I plus 24. Yes, Prempeh College.
156 joules.
No. St. Hubert.
You have 252 joules.
No. So 24K meters. Yes, Osei Tutu?
60 joules.
Yes. Last set of questions for the round. "30 seconds each. How many grams of MnSO4.H2O are present in 0.400 mole of a sample? Take the atomic mass of Mn to be 55.0, sulfur 32.0, oxygen 16.0, and hydrogen 1. Yes, Osei Tutu?
67.6 grams.
Yes. Yes. Next. Determine the sum of the coefficients of all reactants and products in a balanced equation of the reaction C plus SO2 going into CS2 plus CO. Yes, St. Hubert? St. Hubert, go ahead.
Okay, so we have 9.
No. Osei Tutu? Go ahead.
8.
No. Yes, Konongo?
11.
No. Yes, Prempeh?
10.
No. The right answer is 12. Last question for the round. How many electrons are needed to convert ClO3 minus to Cl minus? Yes, St. Hubert?
Okay, so
Go ahead.
4 electrons.
No. Osei Tutu?
6 electrons.
Yes. On that note, the end of round 2.
Alande. Make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy, busy, busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. You be at the day, I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks to the check.
Join the ABSA family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long thing. We like them simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life. Like I'm simple and easy. Easy.
Hello. Please, there's a concern raised by Prempeh College, and it was one of the speed race questions on biology. So I'll read the complete question because the question was not yet complete before the rank, and then the answer came eventually. So I'll read the complete question and then the answer that followed. So this is how the question read. In which part of the alimentary canal does absorption of water, simple sugars, and alcohol take place? And the consultant has well underlined stomach part of the alimentary canal. So we still stand by that alimentary canal. So it's the stomach. So, at the end of round 2, here are the scores. Konongo-Odumase SHS, 11 points. St. Hubert Seminary SHS, 11 points. Prempeh College, 21 points. And Osei Tutu SHS, 22 points. Hello. Before I continue, St. Hubert would like to make a substitution. Dabo is going out for Emmanuel. Emmanuel is coming in. Dabo, thank you. Round 3. Round 3 is the round of the true or false statements. So in this round, I'll be giving you statements, and what you have to do is, when you receive your statement, tell me whether the statement I gave you is either true or false. If you are right, 2 points. If you are incorrect, 1 point deducted. You may choose not to respond. In that case, that statement becomes available to the other 3 remaining schools to compete for. And so once a school rings the bell and picks up that statement and gives the correct response, that school gets 2 points. Otherwise, that school will lose a precious point. All right. So for the first set, this time I'll start with you, St. Hubert. St. Hubert, square root of 25 is equal to plus or minus 5. Go ahead.
True.
No. It's a false statement. Osei Tutu. If x squared is equal to 25, then x is equal to plus or minus 5. Go ahead.
True.
Yes. So you see the reason why now. Prempeh College. Square root of brackets open, -7, brackets close, squared. Please, the square is affecting the bracket inside the square root. It's equal to -7. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Konongo. Every real number has a square root. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. St. Hubert. The protalus of a fern represents the sporophyte phase. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Osei Tutu. The protalus of a fern is multicellular, independent, green, and photosynthetic thallus.
True.
Yes. Prempeh College. The protalus of a fern needs damp and shady places to grow. Yes, go ahead.
True.
Yes. Konongo-Odumase. The protalus of a fern bears sex organs, rhizoids, and food-laden parenchymatous cells. Go ahead.
True.
Yes. St. Hubert. When the charge on a particle is, let me take it again. When the charge on a particle in an electric field is doubled, the electric potential becomes 2 times as great as before. Go ahead.
True.
No. Osei Tutu. When the charge on a particle in an electric field is doubled, the electric potential becomes half as great as before. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Prempeh College. When the charge on a particle in an electric field is doubled, the electric potential remains unchanged. Go ahead.
False.
No, it's a true statement. Konongo-Odumase. When the charge on a particle Konongo-Odumase. When the charge on a particle in an electric field is doubled, the electric potential energy becomes 2 times as great as before. Go ahead.
False.
No, it's a true statement. St. Hubert. HI is ionic. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Osei Tutu. KH is ionic. Go ahead.
True.
Yes. Prempeh College. H2S is ionic.
False.
Yes. Konongo. pH3 is ionic. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. St. Hubert. Momentum is in the same direction as, let me take it again. Momentum is the same as impulse. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Osei Tutu, impulse is equal to change in momentum.
True.
Yes. Prempeh College. Impulse is equal to force times time. Yes, go ahead.
True.
Yes. Konongo. Velocity is the rate of change of distance with respect to time.
False.
Yes. Preamble to all schools. Indicate whether the following are true or false with respect to the functions of the liver. St. Hubert. Secretion of a hormone called gastrin. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Osei Tutu. Metabolism of carbohydrates.
True.
Yes. Prempeh College. Digestion of fat. Go ahead.
False.
No, it's a true statement. Konongo-Odumase. Formation of bile. Formation of bile.
It's true.
Yes. Please. St. Hubert, the electron volt is a unit for energy. Go ahead.
True.
Yes. Osei Tutu. 1 electron volt has order of magnitude of 0.1 attojoule. Go ahead.
False.
I'm sorry, it's true. Prempeh College. 1 electron volt is equivalent to the kinetic energy of an electron accelerated to a speed of 1 meter per second. Yes, go ahead.
False.
Yes. Konongo. The speed of a 1 electron volt proton is greater than the speed of a 1 electron volt electron.
False.
Yes. Last pair of statements for the round. St. Hubert. For group 2 elements, atomic radius increases down the group. Go ahead.
True.
Yes. Osei Tutu. Osei Tutu. For group 2 elements, electronegativity generally increases down the group. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Prempeh College. Prempeh College. For group 2 elements, first ionization energy increases down the group. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Last statement, Konongo-Odumase. For group 2 elements, atomic mass increases down the group. Go ahead.
True.
Yes. On that note, the end of round 3.
Alande. Make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy, busy, busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. You be at the day, I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks to the check.
Join the ABSA family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long thing. We like them simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life, though. Like I'm simple and easy. Easy.
Whoever you're doing it for, we'll help you get it done. Simply. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Tap into the convenience of ABSA contactless cards, another innovation that's turning banking on its head. Now, you can make fast, easy, and safe contactless payments for everyday items. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Hello. At the end of round 3, here are the scores. St. Hubert Seminary SHS has 21 points. Konongo-Odumase SHS, 24 points. Prempeh College, 31 points. And Osei Tutu SHS, 35 points. Round 4. Round 4 is the round of the riddles. In this round, I'll be reading out clues for you to solve a riddle. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. If you solve it on the second clue, 4 points. If you solve it on the third or any other set of clues thereafter, 3 points. If you attempt to answer a riddle and you are not successful, you will be out of that particular riddle. In order to answer a riddle in this round, you will need to alert me by ringing your bells. May I hear your bell, Konongo-Odumase? St. Hubert, Osei Tutu, Prempeh College. So please, when you ring, your answer must be ready. There are 4 riddles. The first one. I am a closed geometric figure in the plane. I am bounded by line segments. I have the same number of sides as angles. This makes me a polygon. The sum of my interior angles is 7 pi radians. Yes, Prempeh College?
Non-argon.
No. Osei Tutu?
A regular non-argon.
Yes. Three points. Next riddle. We are large. We are large bubble-shaped epidermal cells that occur in groups. We normally occur on the upper surface of the leaves of many. Yes, Konongo?
Guard cells.
No. St. Hubert. St. Hubert.
We have cuticle. Cuticle.
No. So I continue. Upper surface of leaves of many monocotyledonous plants. We are generally present near the mid-vein portion of the leaf and are large, empty, and colorless. We are known to be involved in the folding and unfolding of leaf tissues in order to control light intensity and reduce overall water loss. During droughts, the loss of water through vacuums induces our reduced cells to allow the leaves of many grass species to close and 2 edges of the grass blade fold together each other. Once enough water is available, our cells enlarge and the leaves open again. Who are we? Yes, Osei Tutu. Osei Tutu.
Hidatus.
No. Prempeh College. Prempeh College.
Gas cells.
No. The right answer is bulliform cells or motor cells. Next riddle. I am a physical quantity. I equal change in a dynamical quantity associated with an object. I am a vector quantity. I have an association with force. Yes, St. Hubert's.
Acceleration.
No. Osei Tutu.
Momentum.
No. Who rank again? Yes, Konongo.
Velocity. Velocity.
No. So I continue. I am equal to change in quantity of formation. I am equal to change in quantity of motion. Who am I? Yes, Prempeh College. Prempeh College.
Impulse.
You are bailed out. Yes, it's impulse. You are bailed out. Last riddle. Last riddle. I may not always be real. I am a description of electrons. Yes, Prempeh College. Go ahead.
Quantum number.
No. So I continue. I reflect the ability to acquire, donate, or share electrons. I quantify the total number of electrons an atom gains or loses in a chemical bond. Yes, St. Hubert.
Oxidation number.
Yes. 3 points. On that note, the end of round 4.
Alande. Make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. You be at the day, I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks, city check.
Join the ABSA family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long thing. We like 'em simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life, go like I'm simple and easy. Easy.
Hello. At the end of the contest, here are the scores. Konongo-Odumase SHS, 24 points. St. Hubert Seminary SHS, 24 points. Prempeh College, 31 points. And Osei Tutu SHS, 38 points. Congratulations to you, Osei Tutu, on winning this. Prempeh College, well done. I believe your marks will see you through to the finals. Thank you. Once again, the Absa Bank Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Absa Bank with support from Joy News NYFM. This is a primetime production. Thank you. Bye.
Whoever you're doing it for, we'll help you get it done. Simply. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.